In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change Samsung tablet pen nib. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly swap out the pen nib of your Samsung S Pen. This will work regardless of the model that you have. So if you have one that came with your Samsung tablet, or if you bought a spare S Pen, you will be able to follow these same steps. This can be a way to reduce the money that you spend by replacing it with a new one altogether, and often it is simple to do, so you will be able to do it on your own. First, you will have to remove the old one. You need the proper tool to do this, and usually they will be sold alongside new pen nibs. So as you can see on Amazon, you will be able to purchase this kit for roughly $7, and it will have two of these tools that you use. Basically, you are going to get the pen nib over here, clamp it, and then push it towards you. This will remove the pen nib. You will be able to easily insert a new one. You don't necessarily need a new tool for this. You can do it with your fingers. So you just hold the new pen nib that is going to be available on this kit here, and you insert it into the hole after you remove the old one. It is simple to do, and like I said, it is going to work for any S Pen model, the default ones that come with your Samsung Galaxy tablets, or any spare ones that you bought through the Samsung accessories shop directly. And there are plenty of options. As you can see, most of these will have the same price, and you can purchase, and they will include a lot of pen nibs as replacements on different colors, either gray, white, black, and the tool that you need to actually grab the pen nib from the end. I wouldn't recommend trying to remove this with your fingers, so this is why most of them just include the tool, and it is simple to use. Just grab the pen nib end and then pull towards you. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Samsung tablet pen nib. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.